Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey Xbox Central fans! Today we're going to talk about a game-changing way to enhance your home theater experience with Apple's HomePods. You might not think of them as traditional smart speakers, but trust me, they can become an incredible addition to your entertainment setup. So, what makes the HomePod a great choice for wireless speakers? One reason is that it's part of the Apple ecosystem, which means you get seamless integration with other Apple devices like your Apple TV 4K. The sound quality is also top-notch, especially when paired with Dolby Atmos. Imagine immersing yourself in a 3D audio experience unlike any other. It's truly breathtaking. But here's the catch. Using HomePods as wireless speakers comes with some caveats. For starters, you'll need a TV with an ARC or EARC port to get the most out of your sound quality. If your TV doesn't have either of these ports, you might not be able to take full advantage of what these speakers can offer. Now I know what you're thinking. What about other options? Well, some gamers swear by Macs as a better choice for their gaming needs. But how's Apple doing in this department? That's a topic for another time. Before we dive into the setup process, let's get one thing straight. To use HomePods with your Apple TV, you'll need at least a second-generation model of that device. The first gen simply isn't compatible with Apple's pass-through tech. So, what do you need to know? First off, make sure you have an HDMI 1.4 cable or better for ARC, and HDMI 2.1 or later for EARC. It's also crucial to use the right version of your HomePods. If they're not the same model, you won't get stereo playback. Let's put it all together. You'll need a TV with an ARC port, an Apple TV 4K, at least second generation, and two HomePods that match in terms of generation. Follow these simple steps to set up your system. First, connect your HDMI cable from the TV to the back of one or both HomePods. Second, make sure those cables are plugged into the ARC port on your TV. Now you're ready to go. Just remember to keep an eye on that connection between your Apple TV and a HomePod. If it's not linked correctly, there might be issues with wireless interference or settings in the Home app. That said, using HomePods as wireless speakers is still worth considering if you value crystal clear sound quality and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Just keep in mind that it can feel like being locked into a specific world, which might not be ideal for everyone. Thanks for watching Xbox Central. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below.